Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the class on this digital platform of learning. So, today we are having English in this period, and you have already completed lesson 3, 2 stories about flying, the first section. Okay, his first flight. Okay, you have finished. So, first I must write today's date. Okay. So, 2 stories about flying. First section we have finished. The explanation part. Today is the day of the explanation of MCQ, multiple choice questions. So, I welcome you on this digital platform of learning. So, today we will have discussion on multiple choice questions. Okay. MCQ question from his first flight. Okay. Say, who was there? The first question is, who was there on the ledge with the young seagull for the last 24 hours? Who was there on the ledge with the young seagull for the last 24 hours? The options are his 2 brothers, his 2 sisters, single sister was there, his parents. Option D, he was alone. Yes, you. Commenting the right answer. Yes, option D is correct, he was alone. Actually, nobody was there on the ledge with the young seagull for the last 24 hours. He was alone, he was sitting alone on the ledge. Okay? Question number 2, how did the young seagull feel to fly? How did the young seagull feel to fly? Abhinav. Options are afraid, enjoyed, willing, all of the above. Do you all agree? Don't agree? Yes, Sonu Kumar, come. This is wrong. Yes. Option A. Option A. Do you all agree? Yes, option A is correct. Afraid. Actually, the young seagull was afraid to fly. Okay. This is the right answer. Third question, you see, there was a great expanse of stretched down beneath. There was great expanse of sea. Actually, sea is missing over there. Oh, you have to fill it here. Sorry. You have to fill it. Okay. So you have to fill it here. There was a great, already the options are given. There was a great expanse of dash stretched down beneath. Yes, last bench. You come. Land, rocks, sky and sea. These are the 4 options. Yes, you are absolutely right. There was a great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. Question number 4. What were the young seagull's parents doing to him? What were the young seagull's parents doing to him? Number A, option you see, calling to him shrilly, B, upbraiding him, C, threatening him, D, all of the above. What were the young seagull's parents doing to him? Young seagull के parents क्या कर रहे थे? ठीक है? Yes, you. From the girls, no raising of hands. Yes. What were the young seagull's parents doing to him? Calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening him. They were calling to him shrilly, मतलब डांट रहे थे, बस गुस्सा से, तेज आवाज में बोल रहे थे. अब अपब्रेडिंग भी कर रहे थे. अपब्रेडिंग का मतलब स्कोल्डिंग, उसे डांट भी रहे थे. थ्रेटनिंग ही मतलब धमका रहे थे. तो तीनों चीज उसके साथ हो रहा था. तीनों चीज कर रहे थे उसके पेरेंट्स. ओके, वो उससे बहुत नाराज थे. दे वर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ हिम. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Nobody had come, question 5, nobody had come near the young seagull for the last dash. The options are A, 10 hours, B, 12 hours, C, 20 hours, number D, 24 hours. Yes, Riya, come please. Do you all agree? Yes. Yes. It's absolutely correct. Nobody had come near the young seagull for the last 24 hours. 24 घंटों तक, ये बिल्कुल, ये मैं लेसन में आप लोगों को पढ़ाया था, कोई उसके पास नहीं आया. He was left alone for 24 hours. Now question number 6. His parents were perfecting his brothers and sister in the art of flying. In the art of, I am telling the option. His parents were perfecting his brothers and sister in the art of dash होना चाहिए. Okay, in the art of dash समझ लो. Then the options are A, flying, number B, hunting, number C, swimming, number D, chirping. So I was just speaking the options that time. Okay. Yes. Come please. So it's absolutely right. His parents were perfecting his brothers and sister in the art of flying. And I once again tell you to remain quiet, my dear. So they were perfecting him in the art of flying. उड़ने का कला सिखा रहे थे पूरी तरह से, completely. Okay. Number 7, only one family member was looking at the young seagull. It was his dash. Only one family was looking, only one member was looking. Okay. The options are father, mother, brother, sister. Yes, you come. ये क्या कर रहे हो? You take here like this. This is correct way. Okay. So he is absolutely right. His mother was looking at him, at the young seagull. Okay. There was no other than his mother. Okay. Question number 8. Whom did the young seagull beg to bring him some food? Option A, his father. Option B, his mother. Option C, his brothers. Option D, his sister. Yes. You, last bench, come. Whom did the young seagull beg to bring him some food? Very simple. Hey. Yes, you are absolutely right. The young seagull begged to bring him the young seagull begged to bring his mother some food. Okay, अपने माँ से कहा कुछ भोजन लाने के लिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके सामने और कोई नहीं था नजदीक में, उसकी माँ जो थी उसकी तरफ ध्यान दे रही थी, उसके सामने और भी थे, उसके पिता भी थे, उसके भाई बहन भी थे, लेकिन वो लोग व्यस्त थे. ओके, दे वर नॉट पेइंग हीड टू दिस यंग सीगल. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The young seagull dived at the fish maddened by dash. ये यंग सीगल था, वो एकदम कूद पड़ा पागल होकर मछली के ऊपर. बाय डैश हंगर, हीट, टायर्डनेस, स्लीप. ओके, यस, यू कम. So hunger is absolutely right. The young seagull dived at the fish maddened by hunger. वो इतना भूखा था कि वो फिश के ऊपर डाइव कर गया. Number 10. How did the young seagull fall into the air? हवा में कैसे गिरा? Yes, you come. You. Third bench. Come. Upward, downward, both. A and B. The young seagull fall into the air. Are you all right? Is it right? No. How did the young seagull fall into the air? How many of you say downward is right? How many of you see both are right? How many of you say? Tell me. Tell me. Don't you agree? Don't you agree with downward? The young seagull fall into the air downward. Okay. Downward. Then he raise upward. Okay. So, see, no. The young seagull fall into the air downward. Upward थोड़ी कोई गिरता है, तो downward is absolutely right. Downward is absolutely right. How did it fly नहीं दिया है. How did it move? Move नहीं है, fall का है. Move होता है तो फिर हो जाता है move. Move हुआ पहले ऊपर ही हुआ.